So hello everyone. So let us see the next topic, that is photoelectric tachometer with respect to sensors and transducers. So here the photoelectric tachometer, the tachometer is nothing but which is used to measure the speed of a rotating device, right, which in a circular position. So whenever it rotates, we'll be able to measure the speed of that any of the device using the tachometer. So here there is something different which is called a photoelectric tachometer. So what is a photoelectric tachometer? We'll see that. So here let us say that this is a shaft. So I have a disc connected to the shaft. So I want to measure the speed of this shaft right now. It is in a clockwise direction. This is rotating. I want to measure the speed of the shaft. So whenever you want to measure the speed of any of the devices, this kind of disc will be coupled to the shaft of that rotating mechanism. And this mechanism consists of a light source, which you can see here. So and because it's a photoelectric type, so I need some light source and I need a light sensor here. So whenever the device is rotating, at the same time the disc also start rotating, and this disc has some holes which you can see here right now. These are the holes, so which has a opaque type of opaque disc we can say. So this hole, because of this we can say whatever the light is reflected on either side, if I take the disc over here, if the light is reflecting here, so the light cannot pass the other side until unless there is a hole here. If the hole is present, then the light can easily pass. The same way is happening here. I am using a light source here. So this is my light source. Whenever the light source is on, the light rays falls on the disc. So whenever this hole comes in line with the light source, the light will pass and it falls on the light sensor. Whenever the light sensor falls on the light sensor, so the light sensor produces a pulse there. So that pulse will be equivalent to the number of rotation here. So as and then the disc keep on rotate, so the light source falls on the disc. If it is a hole is present, then the signal the light will fall on the light sensor. If the hole is not present in the line of the light source, then the light will not fall on the light source. As and then the light source falls on the light sensor at the individual time, at the every instant of time, whenever the light falls on the light sensor through this hole, it produces a pulses there. It produces a pulses. These pulses will be equivalent to the number of revolution. This is how the photoelectric tachometer is used to determine what is the speed over there of a rotating device. So coming to advantage, it is a digital instrument. Coming to disadvantage, it requires to replace the light source periodically. So the light source will be replaced periodically because and it is a gating period is small, then the error might creep into the output. The gating signal which is happening, the pulses which are coming are very small, that may lead to the error in the output. So this is regarding the photoelectric tachometer. So thank you everyone.